don't want to throw it away. Wonder what I can make with it. Huh. Let's go find out. Hi guys, welcome to the craft table. Please forgive my voice. I know it's more annoying than usual. I have allergies and they are acting up. Today is not so much a tutorial, it's an inspiration. The fairy houses that I made before, I have decided to make a lawn, a separate lawn for each one of them with little decorations from the Dollar Tree that I got quite a while ago. And little, you know, just some imagination thrown in here and there. So, without further ado, let's get to work, shall we? And there you have it. Our little cabin now has a yard and so many cute things. We have the little gnome that is sitting there. He's been chopping wood, so he's refreshing himself. And these are all, this is just toothpick and a popsicle stick. This was a branch. These are little pieces of branch. And these little things I got at the Dollar Tree. This I picked up, I'm pretty sure, at Joann's, along with the house itself and the moss. And trust me, as you can see, it is messy. So expect mess. But this is how it will look. And then you place it wherever you want. And I don't know if you can see the light or not. There we go. But there's our little house. And see how easy that was? Just a little bit of imagination. Whatever you have, it doesn't have to be fancy, for sure. So, I hope you enjoyed this little inspiration. I'm not even going to say it was a tutorial. It's just inspiration to get their imagination kind of rolling and going. And if you enjoy these little things like this and like to see more, please consider subscribing. And don't forget, hit the notification bell. And I really, really appreciate you spending your time watching these little things. I love making them for you. and it's so nice to know that there are people actually watching. So, you have a great week, and I promise I will see you soon. And remember, love you guys. Bye.